Having trouble with Pinterest search? Here's how to get it working again. First, check your internet connection. A weak connection can cause search results to load slowly or not appear at all. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that improves the search performance. Clear the Pinterest app's cache to remove any corrupted files that could be causing the error. Make sure you have the latest version of the Pinterest installed, as newer versions often fix search bugs. If the search results are still inaccurate or not loading, try logging out and logging back into your Pinterest account. This can sometimes resolve search related glitches. Finally, check Pinterest social media channels to see if there's an ongoing issue with the platform search functionality. If it's widespread, they may be working on a fix. Be specific when using search terms. The more precise your search, the better the results. Was your search issue fixed? Let us know how it went in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.